This is very important for sickle cell anemia. If you examine sickle cell disease, is a disease that is caused by an abrupt defect, structural defect of the red blood cell structure. So the red blood cell must be discoid like a disc. The red blood cell, in addition to being discoid, it must also be what? Biconcave, depressed from both sides, and discoid and biconcave. There are proteins, cytoskeletal proteins like spectrin, that ensure that your red blood cells are discoid and biconcave. People who have sickle cell disease, they are born with a hereditary defect where something is wrong with these proteins, cytoskeletal structural proteins. So the structure of the red blood cell is no longer biconcave, is no longer discoid. It looks like a sickle, sharp structure. So how do you get that disease? You have to be homozygous recessive. If you are a homozygous dominant, two capital H's, then you will be normal. If you have a dominant allele and a recessive allele combined together, that's heterozygous, but you're a carrier. You don't have the disease, but you're a carrier. But if you end up with a child who takes, let's say you're a carrier and your husband is a carrier, then the child gets a sperm, is made up due to a sperm that is allele, a recessive allele, and a recessive allele from the egg, and then you have two recessive alleles, then the baby will not have biconcave discoid structure red blood cell. The baby is going to unfortunately have sickle cell anemia. By the way, if you have two people, one with sickle cell anemia while the other one is healthy, and both are relaxed and sitting down, taking deep breath, enjoying, watching the television, you take a blood sample from both of them. Will you be able to tell which one has sickle cell anemia? If both are relaxed, watching TV, I and my friend, one of us has sickle cell anemia, and both of us, we are relaxed and we're just we're watching TV, you can never tell. But when both of us start running on the treadmill, when there is an oxygen demand, then the cells of the person that has sickle cell anemia, they will start to sickle